Yesterday someone asked me a question from Europe. The question was, if Allah knew that we are going to heaven and hell, and if Allah has determined the whole future, why did He make us? Why didn't He just put us where we were belonging in the first place? So I told him, I said, when you have a court case, is it fair for the judge to just say, right, I'm jailing you, without proving you or to you the evidence? You did this, you did that, you did this. Look at what you did, the evidence is against you, you now deserve this. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not impose on us certain matters. He has given us a choice regarding. You are sitting here, it was in the knowledge of Allah, it was decreed by Allah indeed, but He gave you the capacity and the choice. Subhanallah. He will not punish you for what you did not have a choice regarding. If something happened beyond your choice, say for example, something disastrous happened, you were driving according to the speed limits and suddenly someone decided to break the limits, or they made a mistake, they bumped into you and you were injured. You are not going to be asked, why were you injured? That man is going to be asked, why were you driving recklessly? So that was not in your capacity, it's qadar. Taqdeer meaning, it is destiny. It was destined that I was going to go through this. Indeed, I had no role to play. Allah will not question me where I didn't have a choice, but where Allah's given you a choice. You chose. Allah holds you responsible. That does not mean He doesn't know what was going to happen.